Hello everybody, and in this video we are going to understand what is queue in Java and how it works. So without any further ado, let's begin. So we're gonna put this heading queue. So before starting, let us understand what is queue. A queue is a linear data structure implemented as an array. It is a linear data structure that is implemented as array where the elements are filled in FIFO manner, that is first in first out. For example, as when you go to watch a movie, the person who enters first in the queue gets the ticket first and then walks out. So that is the basic logic. The value that is entered first will come out first. Okay, and this is front end and this is rear end, and in some books you can see or you will find that rear end is here and front end is here. That really doesn't matter. So let's start. The basic logic is, at the beginning we take front as -1 and rear also as -1. That is, the pointer is here, somewhere here, that is -1. This is index number 0. Wait a second. This is index number 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So size of our array is 3 or 4. This is our array, and front is at -1 and rear is at -1. So the very first case, if we are going to input something, will be if front equals -1 and rear equals -1, that is, it is here. Then what we are going to do is we will make front 0 and rear as 0, and then if suppose our array is a, at a of rear, that is at a of 0, we are going to input the value. That is, now front is here f0 and rear is also here f0. Okay, so an element is stored here. I'm gonna make this one again just for better understanding. Some value is stored here. Front is 0, rear is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Array size is 3. Then the next case will be if rear. What will happen here, when we will enter another value, then we will increase rear, or increment will be done in the rear position. That is, if sorry for this, that is, our case will be if rear is smaller than size -1. Alright, then we will do a of plus rear equals to value. That will be rear will come at 1, and then value will be stored here. Then again rear will come at 2, value will be stored here. Then again then rear will come at 3 and value will be 3. And for removing, what we are going to do is, if rear equals -1 and front equals -1, that is, our pointer is at somewhere here, that is, no value is entered till now. So our pointer is here and this is imaginary or empty, so we're gonna print the statement that Q is empty. Else, if there is some value and we have to remove it, what we are gonna do is we're gonna increase the front. That is, if suppose I have filled till 3, then I want to remove an element, then I will do that, I will increase the value of front is 0. After plus plus front, f will become 1. Now front will come here. Okay, so now front is here and rear is here. So this element has been removed, and at the end we are going to print from front till rear. So let's program this concept. First we're gonna make a class Q. Wait a second. Then I will take some global variables, that is size, int size, an array, a variable front, a variable rear. Then I will make a constructor. Okay, what will I do is int n, size will be n. Now I'm gonna initialize this value to array, new int size. Alright, then I will make front as -1, rear as -1, that is our imaginary position. So the very first function will be void insert. I have to insert some value. Okay, oh sorry for this. Okay, I'm gonna begin this. If front equals -1 and rear equals -1, that is our imaginary position. Suppose this is our Q, this is our -1 position, this is our -1 position. So what will I do? I will make front as 0, rear as 0, and then at a of rear I will enter this value. That is, I will enter a value here. So this was -1, here front will be 0, rear will be 0. Okay, and the next case will be else if, or you can take else if rear equals size -1. Okay, that is, both the spaces are filled, the size of this array will be 2, and if after increment rear becomes 1, that is, both the places are filled. So this will be our printing statement, SOPLN Q full. Else, and then else case, what we are going to do is a of plus plus rear equals to val. So this was our insert function. First was at imaginary position when no values are given. Then a case if a Q is full, then normal case. Similarly for void delete, what we are going to do is if f equals -1 and rear equals -1, that is nothing is entered, then we will simply print the statement underflow or whatever is given in question. Else what we are going to do is we're going to print removed value equals to plus a of f and then plus f. So this will end our delete function. So these were the functions to insert, to delete, and for display simply we're gonna make a loop for I equals to equals front, I less than rear, I plus plus, and SOP ln a of I. Hope you like this video, and that's it for this video.